Many Wells Fargo app users appreciate the convenience of Face ID, but it's not for everyone. Concerns about privacy, security vulnerabilities like potential spoofing, or simply a preference for traditional PINs and passwords can lead users to disable it. This video will guide you through the process of turning off Face ID and switching to a PIN or password for secure access to your Wells Fargo account. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your iOS device. Once logged in using your current method, navigate to the app's settings. This is usually found in the main menu, often represented by 3 lines or a gear icon. Look for a section labeled Security or Security Preferences. Tap to enter this section. Within the security settings, you'll find options related to authentication methods. Look for a subsection specifically labeled Biometric Authentication or Face ID. It might be grouped with other biometric options like fingerprint recognition. Tap on Biometric Authentication to proceed. Inside the Biometric Authentication settings, you should see a toggle switch next to Face ID. This switch is likely turned on, indicating Face ID is active. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. The switch should change color or appearance to indicate that Face ID is now disabled. After disabling Face ID, the Wells Fargo app will prompt you to set up a PIN or password as your new primary authentication method. This is essential for maintaining security. The app will present options for either a PIN, which is a numeric code of 4 to 6 digits, or a password, which requires at least 8 characters including letters and numbers. For a PIN, enter 4 to 6 digits. The app will guide you through the process, and you'll need to confirm it. Use numbers that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. For passwords, ensure they meet requirements like at least 11 characters and 1 or more uppercase letters. Follow the guidelines shown to create a secure password. Use tips like making passwords unique, long, using phrases, varied characters, and avoiding personal information or common words. If choosing a PIN, visualize it as a numeric code for quick entry, as shown in this illustration. Follow the app's instructions to confirm your new credentials. Once set up, you'll use this PIN or password for all app authentications. Once you've set up your PIN or password, the app will likely ask you to confirm the change. This might involve entering your new PIN/password to ensure you remember it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the confirmation process. After confirmation, Face ID should be fully disabled and your account will be accessible only with your PIN or password. When you disable Face ID, it's crucial to maintain strong alternative security measures. A weak PIN or password can leave your account vulnerable to unauthorized access. Your PIN or password becomes the primary way to secure your Wells Fargo account. Make sure it's strong and unique. Avoid easily guessable information such as birthdays, addresses, or simple sequences. These can be guessed or obtained through social engineering. Regularly update your PIN or password. This reduces the risk if your credentials are ever compromised. Stay vigilant against phishing attacks. Scammers may impersonate Wells Fargo to trick you into revealing your credentials. Wells Fargo's security experts recommend using PINs as a reliable alternative to biometrics. They advise following strong password creation guidelines to protect your account. Consider using a password manager to create and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. If you run into problems while managing your authentication settings, don't worry. Common issues include forgetting your PIN, being unable to access the security menu, or Face ID not functioning as expected. For forgotten PINs, use the reset option that sends a code to your registered email. If settings are inaccessible, check that the app has proper device permissions. Contact Wells Fargo support for personalized help. Wells Fargo offers multiple support channels. Use the in-app help section for quick answers, call their toll-free number, start a live chat, or email their support team. Their representatives can walk you through any issues and ensure your account security. Remember, you can always re-enable Face ID later. Simply go to Settings, Security, toggle Face ID back on, enter your PIN for verification, and complete a Face ID scan to confirm. Your account remains secure throughout any changes.